Hello and welcome to MiM Fast series. In today's video, we are going to explore two simple and common methods for measuring the dimensions of objects in Autodesk Maya. In many situations, especially for tasks like texturing and lighting, knowing the dimensions and size of objects is really important. During the modeling process, we often use delete by type history to keep our scenes efficient, and sometimes we use freeze transformation, which resets an object's scale to 1. In such cases, it's easy to lose track of an object's dimensions. The easiest method to deal with this is to use the universal manipulator. Here's how to do it. Start by selecting the object you want to measure, then go to the Modify menu, Transformation Tools, and click on Universal Manipulator, or simply press Ctrl-T. You can see that after selecting this tool, a bounding box appears around your 3D object. This bounding box makes it easy to view the dimensions of your object. Keep in mind that these numbers are displayed in Maya's working units. To check your working units, you can go to the Windows menu, Setting and Preferences, click on Preferences here, and check the Working Units section. If you want to change the working unit to your preferred unit, you can do so and click on Save. The Universal Manipulator isn't limited to just this. It's like an all-in-one tool. This means you can easily scale, rotate, and move objects in the viewport. By clicking and dragging on any of these points, you can change the object's scale in the desired direction. If you hold down the Control key while dragging, you can scale in opposite directions. If you hold down Control and Shift together, you can proportionally scale relative to the object's center. If you only hold down Shift key, you can scale in the opposite direction of the point you click and drag. You can also type in your desired dimensions by clicking on these numbers and pressing Enter. Furthermore, you can use this manipulator to move your object. Or you can click on any axis and type in the number you want to move along that axis. Rotation can also be done easily with this tool. By clicking and dragging on these small arrows on each edge of the bounding box, you can rotate the object around the opposite edge you selected, or you can simply type in the angle you want. Holding down the Shift key allows you to rotate the object around its center. And at the end, to exit this tool, you can simply press the Q key on your keyboard. One interesting thing is that you can perform all of these actions on multiple objects if you wish. I highly recommend working with this tool, as it can greatly speed up your workflow. Now, let's move on to the second method of measuring objects in Maya using the Distance tool. To do this, go to the Create menu, Measure Tools, and select Distance tool. This tool allows you to measure distance between 2 points on your 3D viewport directly. For your convenience, I usually hold down the V key to enable snap to points, then click on the first point, and then on the second point. This action creates 2 locators, and the distance between the 2 points is displayed. You can also move these locators if you want to measure the distance between other points. So these were 2 different methods to find out the dimensions of an object in Autodesk Maya. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose the method that works best for you. Remember, accurate measurements are crucial for creating realistic and precise 3D models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Maya tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.